Alright guys, this is Ken Spins. Today we're about to do fireworks. Let's go!
Okay, so we're doing it. Jesus Christ! Oh my goodness, my heartbeat. Alright, no, the firework is happening. Oh, frick. Oh! Damn! Holy smokes! Damn! I didn't even expect that. Oh, frick. That's still on fire. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh! Damn! This is what I like. I like it when it goes in the sky and that's so fun. Oh, there's a kid doing it. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, frick. The fire department is hitting me. Oh, it's all happening at the bar top. Bro, move out of the way, bro. Oh, frick. I didn't even realize this was happening. Oh my gosh! Alright, they're extinguishing it.
I wish Jude was here.
Man, be quiet, bro.
Sorry, that was just my cousin, y'all.
Holy crap.
Oh, this is my last clip, by the way.
Oh.
Oh, it smells like gas in here. Oh, fireworks. Good. Oh, damn. Something out there. But low-key, look at the sunset. See the sunset over there? Hold up. See the sunset over there? Alright, that was my last clip. Now, I'll see you when I go back to my house. Alright guys, so I'm in my room, back at my house. Fireworks are still happening. But, oh my goodness, I'm so tired. Look at my hair. It's good. But, yeah, that was a good video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. And happy 4th of July!